Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this cooking video I will be making chicken wings in the air fryer, in my new air fryer. So after you get your chicken prepared and seasoned, I'm going to be tossing this. I am going to be preheating my air fryer. Here she goes. I'm going to be preheating her. So I'm going to use the air fryer setting and I'm going to preheat it first. Hello. It said to add the food, so I'm gonna stop it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for 25 minutes and then I'm gonna show you this cool feature. Hold on. Okay, so I have 400 for 25 minutes and then there's a button and it will remind you when to flip it. So now it's on the flip part, so now I have to flip it over and put it back to cook. Okay, Scooby. Oh my god. It's steaming in there. It's so hot. It's cool. Okay, so I flipped them. See, it's still raw on this side, so now I'm gonna cook it for the remaining of the 15 minutes. 10 minutes or 15 minutes? I gotta check. 10 minutes. Okay, so I was gonna make them buffalo style chicken wings, but my son's stomach hurts and I don't want to mess him up, so I'm gonna make the buffalo sauce on the side. These are done. I'm gonna let them cool down before I take them out, and then I'm gonna clean out the grease and then add in the remaining of the chicken for the same time. 400 on air fry for 25 minutes. And then I am making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. So I got my flour and my oats and everything in here ready with the chocolate chips. I'm going to melt down my stick of butter, add an egg, mix it, and then pop it into my oven. I'll show you that when it's done as well. Got my softened butter. Now I add it in and then I'm gonna mix it and show you guys. Okay, I mixed it up and I already made some. I want to show you the ones that I made. Here they go, and I'm gonna pop them in the oven for 13 minutes. Okay, now that is all cleaned again, I will add the remainder of the chickens. Okay, now I'm gonna add them into my foodie and let it cook. And the turn is on, so that way it will let me know when I need to turn them over. Okay, they're done. I like my bottoms golden brown, so when I see it crisping at the edges, I know they're done. This one might be burnt though. Oh no, it's okay. Now I'm going to turn these around and put them back in to cook for the remainder. These are beautifully done. Okay, all done. Now I put the remaining of them on the cookie sheet, but let's see if it doesn't make one big cookie on this side. Okay, so I have my buffalo sauce right here. I'm about to put biscuits in the oven. These cookies are done. They didn't morph into one. How is it?
Good.
It's good? You wanna try it?
I'll cop this on this one, that I'll cop this on that one.
Making some corn. Gonna make some potatoes. Gonna cut up some carrots and some fresh garlic and put it in the air fryer as well. Roasted carrots and some garlic. So good. Done. And butter rice is done. You gonna eat? Rora, you gonna eat? Okay. Done. Buffalo sauce. My cookies are done. My wings are done. Everything is done.